How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about hand grip exercises for beginners at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys a workout that you can do with hand grippers, hand grip exercises that you want to do. Use hand grippers, you guys. Hand grippers, hands down the best way to really get your grip going. My forearms are crazy big. I'm not trying to brag or anything. My grip strength is very, very strong, and I'm very vascular when I'm lean. I'm not really that lean right now, but when I get lean, the vascularity is there. So let's do some exercises. Let's do this at home, you guys. So let's say 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Simple as that, you guys. We're going to do the next hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As simple as that, you guys. That is how you do hand grip exercises. Now, here's my background with doing hand grippers. This was only 150 pounds. It's very easy to do. I recommend that people, when they start off doing 100 pounds and then go to 150s, go to 200s, 250s, 300s. I can close the 300s, you guys. That's currently what I train with, is 300s. Hand grip exercises, in my opinion, are the funnest way to train. Like what I do is, I used to train 5 to 6 times a week. I now only train 2 to 3 times a week, just because all the YouTube videos, and I'm doing another course for my schooling. I'm working 8-hour job. So just completely like busy, very, very busy. So when I have time, I do hand grip training, you guys. And I can tell you right now, you don't need a lot of time to do it. I'm super busy in my life, and I can get in a 5 to 10 minute workout very quickly, and you'll see results very quickly. Trust me, when you start doing hand grip training, you see results like that. It doesn't take, like, you try to get 6-pack abs, it could take you like 2-3 months. This, you're going to see results in a week or 2. Your grip's going to start getting stronger and stronger, and you're going to notice it. You start shaking people's hands, it's going to start hurting, and you're going to be like, ah. That's what people are going to be doing. So again, I recommend starting off with the 100 pounds, then doing 150s, 200s, 250s, 300s. For the workout program, start off doing 10 repetitions, do 2 sets. What you want to do is add a repetition to one of the sets every day. So every day you train, or every other day that you train, add a repetition. That's all you have to do. Add 1 rep. When you get to 20 reps, increase the repetition, increase the weight, and just keep doing that. You will get to 300 pounds just like me. Your forearms will be jacked. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.